Hey! Would you like to create talking head videos with AI avatars in over 30 plus languages? With DeepReel, you can do it in a few clicks. Let me show you how it works. From our homepage, click Create AI Avatar Video. You can start by selecting your avatar. DeepReel offers a wide variety so you can find the perfect face for your video. You can even change the background to a different color or even an image to personalize your video. Next, enter the script. The audio works best with 150 plus characters. You can select your language here. DeepReel offers 30 plus options, which is amazing for multilingual content. Insert pauses between sentences or words. From the voice settings, you can adjust the expressiveness. Experiment with all of these features to get the perfect tone of your voiceover. Click Listen to Script to audition your audio. Once satisfied, you can download the audio from here. And for the final video with AI avatar lip sync, click Generate. Once processed, your video will appear in the Assets page. From here, you can easily watch and download the video for your content. With DeepReel, you can elevate your content with AI avatar talking head videos in just minutes. Visit DeepReel.com and start creating videos that captivate and inspire.